If you think you've already seen every woodworking tool worth buying, think again. Amazon is packed with thousands of tools, but most of them are cheap gimmicks that end up collecting dust. Today, I've picked 13 new woodworking tools that are actually useful, save time, improve accuracy, and are genuinely worth your money in 2026. Let's get started. Need a compact chainsaw that actually performs? The Litheli 20V mini chainsaw packs a 450W brushless motor, slicing through 6-inch wood in about 8 seconds. At just 3 pounds, it's easy to handle with auto-oiling, built-in safety features, and a battery that even doubles as a phone power bank. Great for pruning and yard work. The BORA automatic pocket hole jig is designed to make woodworking faster, easier, and more accurate. Its self-calibrating system automatically adjusts to material thickness from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, eliminating manual measurements. The kit includes a square pocket hole drill bit and 50 color-coded screws for reliable assembly. Built for precision and durability, it creates strong, clean joints, making it a great choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers. Built for accurate cabinet assembly, the Kreg cabinet face frame clamp keeps face frames perfectly aligned during installation. Its durable all-aluminum body is lightweight yet strong, while thick protective pads help prevent surface damage. The integrated hardened drill guide allows precise pilot hole placement, reducing setup time and improving accuracy. The DOVAMAN MCS01A circular saw is a versatile cutting tool designed for wood, soft metal, plastic, and tile. It comes with 6 blades for different materials, while the built-in laser and edge guide help deliver straighter, more accurate cuts. The auxiliary metal handle and wide base provide better stability during operation. With adjustable cutting depths and 45-degree bevel capability, it offers flexibility for a wide range of DIY and woodworking projects. This cordless electric hand planer delivers smooth and precise results with the freedom of cordless operation. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it features a powerful brushless motor reaching up to 15,000 revolutions per minute for efficient material removal. The cutting depth is easily adjustable from 0 to 2 mm with fine precision, while the dual-switch safety system helps prevent accidental starts. It's a practical choice for woodworking and renovation projects. Designed for fast and efficient finish work, the BOSCH 18-gauge brad nails with consistent cordless performance. The brushless motor eliminates the need for compressors and hoses, while the ergonomic depth adjustment ensures accurate nail placement. Tool-free jam clearing, dry fire lockout, dual LED lights, and selectable single or bump fire modes make operation smoother. It can drive up to 2,000 nails on a single compatible battery charge. The Goldblatt panel carrier makes moving large sheet materials easier with its self-adjusting gripper clamp and ergonomic soft grip handle. Its durable dual-arm construction provides a secure hold on plywood, drywall, MDF, OSB, and other panels up to 1 inch thick. Designed to reduce strain on your back and shoulders, it supports loads up to 200 pounds, making one-person transport safer, more comfortable, and far more efficient. Precision is where the Milescraft Joint Master stands out. The self-clamping design keeps boards securely in place, while retractable edge stops ensure every dowel hole lines up accurately. Its all-aluminum construction adds durability without flexing, and hardened steel bushings maintain consistent drilling accuracy over time. Supporting 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 inch dowel pins, it's a dependable solution for creating clean, strong edge, corner, and surface joints. Accurate routing becomes much easier with this router circle cutting jig and edge guide. The durable aluminum alloy construction provides excellent stability, while the slide and lock adjustment system allows quick, precise positioning for straight cuts, dados, and inlays. Its extended guide offers better support when routing beyond the edge of a workpiece, helping prevent uneven cuts. Compatible with several popular compact routers. Built for compact table saws and router tables, the Woodpeckers auxiliary rip fence provides a larger, more stable reference surface for cleaner, more controlled cuts. The 36-inch fence installs quickly using standard track clamps, with no permanent modifications required. Integrated T-track slots allow additional accessories, while the included support blocks help keep long workpieces stable throughout the entire cut. This 100-piece sanding disc set offers dependable performance for sanding, smoothing, and finishing a variety of materials. Durable aluminum oxide abrasives provide consistent results, while the 8-hole design improves dust collection during use. The hook and loop backing makes disc changes quick and easy. Compatible with most 5-inch random orbital sanders, it's a versatile choice for workshop and DIY projects. The Milescraft drill block helps improve drilling accuracy without the need for a drill press. Hardened steel guide holes support 6 common drill bit sizes, while built-in center lines make alignment quick and precise. Non-slip feet keep the block steady, and the V-groove design allows accurate drilling on round stock, pipes, and corners. RUITOOL 6-inch Japanese pole saw delivers clean, precise cuts with minimal effort. Its flexible SK5 high-carbon steel blade features hardened teeth for long-lasting sharpness and smooth cutting performance. The double-edged Ryoba design offers separate tooth patterns for hardwood and softwood, making it a versatile hand tool for fine woodworking, trim work, and detailed joinery. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite tool in the comments. See you in the next one.